Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Family Home Kitchen. Imagine biting into a golden, crispy chicken strip, its exterior coated with a layer of hearty oats, seasoned with a blend of spices and a hint of cheese. This is not just any chicken strip, but a health-conscious twist on a beloved classic. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, a delightful crunch followed by the tender, juicy chicken within. A dish that's not only delicious, but also packed with the goodness of oats. Stay with us to discover how to make this delightful dish in your own kitchen. Before the magic begins, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 chicken breasts cut into small pieces. For the crispy coating, we'll use a cup of whole oats, half a cup of breadcrumbs, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, and a dash of spices. These include a teaspoon each of minced garlic and paprika, and half a teaspoon each of cumin, salt, and black pepper. To bind everything together, we'll use 2 beaten eggs, and don't forget the oil for frying. Now, while you're getting everything ready, remember to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. That's key for achieving that perfect golden crunch. So do a quick check. Chicken? Check. Oats and breadcrumbs? Check. Cheese and spices? Check. Eggs and oil? Check. Oven preheating? Check. With everything in place, let the cooking commence. Start with the heart of the dish, the crispy oat coating. Let's create a blend that will give our chicken strips that tantalizing crunch and flavor. Take a wide bowl and mix together whole oats, breadcrumbs, grated cheese, minced garlic, paprika, cumin, salt, and black pepper. Stir these ingredients well to ensure an even distribution of flavors. Now it's time to give our chicken the oat treatment. Dip each piece into beaten eggs. This will act as a glue, helping our oat mixture stick to the chicken. Once you've done that, roll the chicken in our prepared oat blend. Make sure each piece is generously coated with the mixture, covering all sides. Repeat this process for all the chicken pieces. Don't rush. It's essential each piece gets a fair share of the coating. Once all the chicken pieces are well coated, we're ready to bake. Now, it's time to bring the heat. Let's get our oat-coated chicken pieces ready for their transformation. Arrange them lovingly on a greased baking tray. Give them a light brush with oil. This will ensure they get that golden, crispy finish we're after. Now, pop them in the oven. We're looking for a bake time of around 15 to 20 minutes. But remember, all ovens are different, so keep an eye on them. You're waiting for that beautiful golden color and a crispy texture. While our chicken strips are baking to perfection, let's turn our attention to the frying pan. Pour in enough oil for deep frying and heat it up. We're aiming for a medium heat here, not too hot, not too low. Once our chicken strips have achieved their golden, crispy perfection in the oven, it's time for their next stage. Carefully transfer them into the hot oil. Now this part requires your full attention. We want to fry them until they're golden and crunchy on all sides. But be cautious. Don't let them burn. Keep them moving in the oil, turning regularly. After they've achieved that perfect golden crunch, remove them from the pan. Use kitchen paper to drain off any excess oil, and there you have it, crispy oat chicken strips, ready to be savored. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and relish the crunch with every bite. These crispy oat chicken strips are versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. Savor them hot, straight from the oven, dipped in barbecue sauce, or any sauce that tickles your palate. They make a delightful snack for those midday cravings, but don't limit yourself. Serve them as a main course with a side of steamed rice or a fresh salad for a balanced, health-conscious meal. Now let's talk about variations. You can use regular oats instead of whole oats. They're widely available and a good alternative. Their texture might be a bit less hearty, so you might need to give them a quick whirl in a coffee grinder or blender for the right consistency. Also, feel free to adjust the spices according to your taste. Want it spicier? Add more paprika. Enjoy making and sharing these crispy oat chicken strips with your friends and family. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.